Hello everyone, I'm here at Laguna Kitchen and Bath. I'm here with Bobby. Bobby is the owner of Kitchen and Bath in Laguna. Laguna Kitchen and Bath store. It is one of the biggest store in California. They have a lot of product. The reputation is very good. So, and that's the reason why I choose to come to his store, and Bob is going to explain to us about his company.
So I'm going to right now explain you the kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets we have comes in a couple different ways. This is what you call raised panel. This is more traditional, and of course we can paint it any color, anything that you ask for. Also, this is the shaker style. This is more like American modern. That's what everybody does, shaker. Also, this comes in any color that you choose. There's a Sherman-Williams color chart with a paint code that you can always go and bring for us, and we can paint it any color you like. Also, what we have here, this is a European style that we have in eclectic material. So this comes in many colors, shiny or matte side that we can choose for the cabinets.
So how long does it take, like once, if I decided to order this type of kitchen, how long it will take from the time you guys come and
Usually,
measure?
at this time, 5 to 8 weeks, I would say.
And you do everything. You remove the existing kitchen and
We
you
do the
install.
demolition. We have a demolition team that comes and does that, and also the process, the whole process, from the time that we start, we come to your house, takes about 2 weeks.
Do you take care of the plumbing issues like electrical or?
Of course,
right.
once we do that, we do all the installation of the plumbing and appliances after we finish.
So I don't need to do anything. Just come to you and you will take care of everything.
One-stop shop. Yeah, that's what we do.
And how long does it take, like the process itself, once from the time they come and remove my kitchen to the time that the kitchen is already
I would say
operable?
2 weeks.
2 weeks from
2 weeks.
that time.
What we do, we make the cabinets in our factory, get them ready. Once they're ready, the process of coming to your house, from the time we come to your house, takes about 2 weeks. And the reason it takes 2 weeks is because of the countertop.
Oh, okay.
Once we have to install the cabinets, and once we install the cabinet, we have to come and do the pamphlet for the countertop. And that takes about 7 to 10 days to do the cutting.
So you're saying it takes about 2 weeks from the time you start demolishing my house until the time it's completely
Yes, that's including the installation of the countertop and the fabrication.
And also you do flooring, correct?
Yes, we do. And let me tell you about this last part of the cabinets.
Okay, yes. So let's go to this area.
This is all solid maple wood. This weight's about, I would say, 2 pounds. Comes in many different styles. So you choose what you like. And we do have our own color charts.
Oh, nice. So you actually, so it's not like before. That's before you used to go, when you go to the kitchen store, they tell you, oh, that's what it is. That's
No.
what we have. So now you can have any color.
Yeah, so all of our interior boxes are wood. They are not particle boards, soft door close, Dobbs. You know, we have everything that we do it good. We don't take any shortcuts. For the house that we're doing, the island and the below cabinets are going to be this material. This is high pressure laminate, and this is for the upper cabinet we explained. This is going to be for upper.
Also, this is the European style, as you said.
Style, yeah. This is
So as I told you guys, like I'm gonna try to, once they start installing, I'll ask Bobby to let me know so I can go in the house during the installation, and maybe we can film it there too. Thank you so much, Bobby. And guys, I'm gonna take you for a quick tour inside the store before we end this video. Thanks a lot, Bobby.
Thank you. Thank you so much.